Okay, guys, so it is time to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level by unlocking premium rank. Now, instead of earning just 20% per sale and 10% per sale recurring commission, you can earn 40% per sale and 40% per sale recurring commission by unlocking premium rank. This is the best option for you guys. If you want to make more money with our affiliate program, it is best you upgrade your affiliate membership. And guess what? In addition to unlocking premium rank, you are also going to get access to special bonuses worth over 100,000 naira. And guess what? These bonuses, these resources, they will continue to improve and you'll get access to them without paying extra money. Now, this is the best time to unlock premium rank because this is the lowest price it will ever get, and the price will continue to go up. So you getting in now, you are locking in your position right away. So now, what are the special bonuses you are going to get access to? You are going to get access to premium and professional funnel design template, high converting email copies, ad copies, ad graphics and videos that you can simply copy and paste, plug and play to promote the Affiliate Boss Super Affiliate System. Now, guess what? These funnel templates, these are the funnel templates you're going to get access to. This is for the Affiliate Boss course. Okay, this is a landing page or the lead page, as you can see. So this is a thank you page. So you can just edit this template and put your affiliate link right here. Okay, now you get access to this template. Now guess what? Say for instance you don't have money to start buying hosting and domain name. We also designed this template for system. System is a free it's a landing page building software and you can use it for free. Okay, now we also designed template for system or system.io as the case may be, but it is called system, systeme.io, but it is pronounced system. So you get this template done for you. So all you have to do is to create a free system account and import these funnel templates into your account. This is a landing page, as you can see. This is a thank you page. All right, so you can edit and put your affiliate link here and start promoting. Now guess what? We also provided the email copies. Okay, these are the email copies. We have up to 8 email copies. These email copies are worth thousands of naira, but you get them for free when you become a premium affiliate. Now we didn't stop there. The ad copies are also there, so you get up to 6 ad copies, and as time goes on they will we'll add more ad copies and we are going to add more resources. Okay, so you get access to all of them for free. Then you also have ad creatives. Okay, you also have ad creatives, which is the emails. Let me show you, which is the graphics. Okay, the graphics. So you can see these are the graphics. We have several graphics you can easily edit and use for your social media promotions, your marketing, and so on and so forth. Okay, these are the graphics, several of them. All right, over 23 of them right here. So you get access to all these resources once you become a premium affiliate. So this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. This is something I've not seen done in the industry, but I am doing it because I want to make life easier for people. Now guess what? Let me remind you, Our affiliate program is the best in the industry right now. I'll tell you why. Now, say for instance, you refer somebody that buys a course today and you get paid, for instance, you get paid 10,000 naira. Now, let's say by next week, that same person go ahead to buy a course on our platform, you will still get paid from doing nothing. Okay? On other affiliate platforms, it is not like this. Now, guess what? We took it a step further. Let's say, for instance, this person now likes the course he or she bought and go ahead to tell other people about the course. You also get paid from their effort. That is, it's like folding your hands and making money. This is crazy, guys. This is insane. All right, it is insane. It gives you an endless opportunity to make more money. So to unlock premium rank, all you have to do is to check your dashboard and click on do this to earn more money, or as the case may be, unlock premium. So just click on it and you will get information on how to unlock premium rank. Okay, so you go ahead and become a premium affiliate and get access to the special bonuses promised. So see you on the other side of greatness, and I wish you the best in your affiliate promotion. So once you make purchase for this, just come here, click on buy now. Once you buy now, give us a few hours. We are going to upgrade your account to premium. So everything is right here. So you go ahead, log into your account and look for information to unlock premium. So see you on the other side of greatness, guys. Peace out.